meow, 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 meow.
Hey everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to draw a super cute A for apple step by step. It's going to be so much fun. So let's get started! Let's sketch the basic shape of a juicy apple.
Meow, 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 meow,
Add a little stem and a cute leaf right on top. Let's draw a big, bold letter A right underneath the apple. Time to color. Let's fill the apple with a bright, vibrant red. Don't forget the details. Make the leaf green and the stem brown. Now, let's color the letter A with a beautiful shade of purple. Finally, add some nice shading to make our cute A for apple drawing pop. And there you have a tower. Adorable A for apple drawing is complete. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun tutorials. See you next time!